Yes, Mariam, I was talking to you. My voice is not audible to you. I was calling your name before this also. Are there any network issues or something? You are unable to hear me, Mariam. I think there's a net issue with you. See, Mariam, are you not able to hear now? I'm continuously speaking. Yes, I was calling your name before this also. Okay, you can see. What about the audio? Check the net. Just wait. Pass now. Because from my side, it's rejoin, Mariam. Rejoin again. Leave the class and then join again. Yes, Mariam. Now it's better. Are you able to hear now? I'm again switching on my camera. Yes, I am speaking now. Are you able to hear, Mariam? You still can't hear anything? Is it audible? Just wait, Mariam. Just wait. Without the voice, how will you be able to hear? Hello? Mariam, is it audible now? Is my voice audible? Wait, Mariam, wait. Yes, Mariam. Now it's fine.
Yes, ma'am. Now I can hear you. Can you hear
Okay,
me?
now your issue. Internet is fine. Earlier you weren't able to hear, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, see, so it's just that I wanted you could have started the question. That is a different thing, but see, then we would not have our discussion after this. So that's why I wanted
Yes,
to.
ma'am. I just thought that the time is getting wasted, so I would at
Yeah.
least
So
start.
have you written the question?
I read the question, but I didn't write it.
So write it. Write it. At least have a rough idea. Then
Okay.
I'll discuss it. First, write it.
Okay. Okay.
Mariam, let's start our discussion because see, a lot of time has gone already on this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me start with the discussion part. At least let me read the question. See, the purpose is that you have to practice. You tell me how much you have written it.
The question or the answer?
Answer part.
I started the first part and I just wrote the like formula and the given part.
First part you have done.
I was actually calculating. I'll
Steps.
calculate in,
The
can you give me
steps.
1 minute?
Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. Take a minute, and it's the best. Whatever you are writing now, take send me the picture so I'll get to know the exact thing before I discuss.
Okay. Okay, sure. हादी अम्मा का फोन ले आना Ma'am, I'm sending the photo,
Okay, okay, Mariam.
but I only did the first one.
Okay, it's okay. Because practice this question properly, so that see, Mariam,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
would be the last question from Coulomb's law. This has a lot of portion from Coulomb's law. So I'll start with electric field then, but I want that you do this question properly. It's a question from NCERT also, and it has all the portions that I require.
Okay, ma'am. लिखो उसमें आमना मैम होगा उसमें आमना मैम लिखो आएगा AMNA है आमना मैम फिजिक्स लर्निंग मैम कैन यू चेक
Okay, so see here, two insulated copper spheres A and B have their center separated by 50 centimeters. Mutual force of electrostatic repulsion, if charge is given and mass is given. So also compare this force with their mutual gravitation attraction. So F is equal to K Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. So 50 centimeter also you have converted. Charges are already there. 9 this. Okay, good. So calculation part is left, that is thing. Just this picture, no?
yes ma'am
Okay, so
I'm
this
doing
much
the
only you have
second one
completed. Fine, then it's okay. See, your answer is also correct. This is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2, correct. Your calculation part is also right. See, Mariam, just one thing I'll add. This is correct. Now, when you are writing it for your exams,
yes ma'am
mention, do not use Q1 and Q2 separately. See, when you have two charges which are same, right? So Q1 is actually equal to Q2, which is equal to Q. Use this
yes
and then put the force as K Q square by R square. Okay, it will
okay
just make it look easier. All right. And
okay
just one more thing, when you are solving the question, see, directly you have written 0.5. Just whenever you're writing, mention it like this. Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q, which is equal
yes
to 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 Coulomb. And
yeah
R, which is equal to 50 centimeter, is equal to 0.5.
ma'am I wrote there
You have written this?
yes I wrote charge 1 is equals to charge 2 and below that I wrote that
Charge 1
radius
is
is
equal.
equals to
No, that's what I'm saying. See, I'm saying your answer is correct. Everything is correct. Just for your board's perspective, board examination perspective, I'm telling.
okay
Means you have written charge 1 is equal to charge 2. That is correct. Just in one line, it's better if you write Q1 is equal to Q2. That is fine. Equal to Q. Because they are same, no? So see, the way in the formula you have written F is equal to K, capital Q1, small q2 by R square. So instead of writing this, it's better if you write this when the charges are identical. That's what I'm saying. Okay.
okay
And just
ma'am I'm
one thing,
doing the
see, you
second
have
one
written everything properly. You have written R as 50 centimeters only, but in the calculation, you have converted into meters. So show in the beginning only that you are converting. Because why am I saying this? Because sometimes what happens when the examiner is checking the papers for the board exam, I'm telling this, not for the school exams. So what he does, he reads the first 4 lines which are given. Like he will see, not your calculations, ऐसे मैच करेगा. चार्ज है, हाँ चार्ज लिख लिया है. रेडियस, सेपरेशन भी लिख लिया है. फोर्स का फॉर्मूला उसमें पुट कर दिया. हाँ ये आंसर मैच कर दिया, like this. So even if in between you have done any errors, you have committed some errors and all, so it will not be counted. That will be nullified. So it's better. Just this is just a trick for the boards because they have to check lots of papers. So what they do, just match the steps like this. So अगर ये सब पहले लिखा रहेगा ना, so you'll not lose marks. Now clear?
yes ma'am
Okay,
I've done the second one. I'll share that.
second you have tried?
Yes, I did, but I don't know. I think my calculation has gone wrong. But I'll
Okay,
share.
send me whatever you have done, you can send. It's not necessary for you to do. Send me.
मैं
By
कहा
the
था
time,
मम्मा
let
का
me
दे दो,
discuss
तुम
the
सुन नहीं
first
रहे.
part itself. This part is right. Just one thing, Mariam. Gravitational force, because it can be asked to you, because this is a portion from NCERT. So this again becomes important. G m1 m2 divided by r.
R square.
Now
Okay.
mass is also given to you, 0.5 kg. Gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. I think it's not mentioned in the question. So this is gravitational constant. Again, m1 is equal to m2, which is equal to m, which further weighs 0.5 kg. In the class, I do not write down these things because in the class we have to discuss so many things. Easily that remains. Okay, you have sent me. Let me see this. So when you will be calculating this Fg, this will be 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Mass is 0.5 into 0.5 divided by r square will be the same 0.5 whole square. So see, calculation is very easy. This will be just 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now
Yes.
6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. This is, now you have to compare two things, right? Fg, this is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. And what was the F electric? I am writing electric means electrostatic. 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. माइनस 11 मतलब कि इतने सारे जीरोस पहले लगाने पड़ेंगे 0.0.000 समथिंग देन 667 और 1.5 में दो जीरो पहले लगाना मीन 0.15 it means definitely
ma'am.
electric force is greater than gravitation.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Again,
Yes, again for me it's like it's very, you know,
I'm not
it's
audible.
showing my internet connection is unstable. It's showing by the Zoom.
Okay, just rejoin. Note
Okay,
it.
okay, ma'am, I'll rejoin.
Okay, and then note it. Once you come, then note it. This part.
Ma'am, can you say something?
Yes, Mariam, now it's better?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear now.
Okay. See, this you have understood this part, electric force and gravitational force.
Yes, I understood. I could hear it, but only in the end I could not hear you.
Yeah, I understand this. So just write down, I have written it, noted also that by chance, if you couldn't hear me,
Yes, ma'am.
so you could write it. So
Okay,
just,
ma'am, give me 2 minutes, I'll write.
yeah, you copy down this. Meanwhile, I'll read your answer which you have sent.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll up for a second if something is there? I missed. Okay, just a minute.
Mariam, written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, you have done the answer correctly. Okay. This calculation part is also right. And you have solved it also correctly. Now, see, this portion, see, charge will be doubled. So that also you have mentioned. Now the conversion also you have shown. And you have written the steps also properly. Just one thing I'll tell you here from your examination perspective, that when you are writing the above, see, two parts are there na, in this question. One, when the charge is q and radius is r. Yes. So you have
Yes.
written the force there, F q square by r square. Now in the second part, when the charge is doubled ना, जब डबल हो जाएगा, अब ये उसी क्वेश्चन का पार्ट है ना. सो
Yes.
एग्जामिनर कभी कभी इसमें शायद हाफ मार्क्स कट हो जाए, तो क्योंकि ये डिफरेंट चार्ज है, अब ये 2q है और ये r/2 है. तो जो चार्ज लिखोगी ना, सो जो मेंशन इट एज समथिंग एल्स, q डैश मेंशन कर दो, r प्राइम ऐसे मेंशन कर दिया ना, r प्राइम या q प्राइम ऐसे.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
एंड जो ये फॉर्मूला भी होगा उसमें q प्राइम स्क्वायर बाय आर प्राइम स्क्वायर, ताकि ना ये और ये इसमें डिफरेंस आ जाए. ओके, दैट्स इट. बाकी rest of the calculations and everything very good. This is done, and this is a major question for this question. No, that's why I've extracted this question only. It's a question from your NCERT and it's a full-fledged question of the entire Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law भी हो जाता है इसमें कवर, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स से कंपैरिजन भी हो जाता है, इफ मॉडिफिकेशंस हैं वो भी हो जाती है, प्लस डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट का भी इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाता है. So if you're able to do this question, you'll be able to do the questions from Coulomb's law at least. Now I'm sure. Electric field पे अब चलते हैं, but before that the second part of the B question. Two spheres are placed in water. Now this is a portion from this only. B part का ये question है ना, second of B only. It means ये जो second question है, ये इस force की बात हो रही है. When the charge is doubled and the radius is half. ये तब की बात हो रही है. So what is the force which you have got? क्या value थी इसकी? You've got 0.24, right? So it's like F in air is 0.24. So now you want to find out force in a medium. So it is F air divided by the dielectric constant. Means 0.24 divided by 80. Like this. Remember this formula? And that's it. This is for the second of the B part. This is clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write it. Mariam, done?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Done, ma'am.
Okay, Mariam. So we just have 5 to 6 minutes now only left. So let us discuss the theory part because the numerical then I'll start directly in the next class whenever we have. I think you will not be available tomorrow and on Wednesday.
Yes.
Okay, after Moram, then please let me know. Then whenever
Sure, ma'am.
can have the class.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, so let us just discuss the theory part. We have time. So electric field, what is the meaning of electric field? Electric field is basically a field which is said to exist at a point if a force of electrical origin is exerted on a stationary charged body placed at that point. So basically, we have a space around charge in which its electrical properties can be experienced. So this source charge is stationary for us and test charge always moves. So this is done experimentally, and this field, until you reach this field, you'll not be able to experience the electrostatical forces of attraction or repulsion. मतलब चार्ज है हमारा सेंटर में, स्टेशनरी है, ये चार्ज मूव नहीं करेगा. इस चार्ज के अराउंड एक ऐसी फील्ड बनी है कि जब तक टेस्ट चार्ज, जिस चार्ज को हम मूव कर रहे हैं, मोबाइल चार्ज पे जो चार्ज मूव कर पा रहा है, वो जब एंटर करेगा इस फील्ड में, चाहे पेरिफेरी में या कोई भी रीजन में, सो उससे इट विल बी एबल टू एक्सपीरियंस द इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टीज मतलब अगर पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव हो रहे हैं दोनों, सो मीन्स लाइक चार्जेस इफ दे आर प्रेजेंट, इफ द लाइक चार्जेस आर प्रेजेंट देन इट विल बी रिपेल्ड. If unlike charges are present means एक positive एक negative, then it will be attracted. So this is electric field. Now what you have to remember in electric field, see definition, nobody is going to ask you. Straight away you have to remember this formula. Force is equal to charge into electric field. Or if we talk in terms of electric field, it's the ratio of force by charge. So this is an important formula. You shouldn't forget it, and it will be used everywhere. Even in your current electricity also, see in the derivation of the drift velocity also we use this. So because see, most of the cases when the charges are moving, we require F is equal to ma, Newton's second law. अगर न्यूटन का सेकंड लॉ वैलिड हो रहा है, दैट इज एफ इज इक्वल टू एम ए, जो कि हर प्लेन में वैलिड होता है, यू गेट ऑल द इनर्शियल फ्रेम क्वेश्चन ओनली. Inertial frames and non-inertial frames, I hope you understand. Inertial frame का मतलब है कि everything is at rest with respect to the earth. जो moving frame है ना हमारा, that is at rest. And non-inertial frame भी जो हमारा frame है जिसमें हम हैं, that is also accelerating. So that you must have studied in your laws of motion in class 11th also. So basically जहाँ पे Newton's law valid है, and all the questions which you will get, that will be having the inertial frame itself. So inertial frame में we require F is equal to ma, जहाँ भी kinematics का concept आएगा. As in अगर चार्ज मूव कर रहा है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगी, चार्ज की कोई वेलोसिटी होगी, सो काइनेमैटिक्स अपने आप आ जाएगा, whether a charge is moving or it is at rest even. So in those cases when we are talking about F is equal to ma, most of the cases we have to equate this F is equal to ma with F is equal to QE. So it's a relationship which connects your electric field with the acceleration. So whether we are talking about the formula of the drift velocity or any other formula. So it's a very important formula. F is equal to QE. अब जैसे हमने इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स की बात किया था, F is equal to Q1 Q2 by R square. Similarly, here we have E is equal to KQ by R square. This is the formula which we have. E is equal to KQ by R square. Rest of the theory remains the same. ये चीज थी इधर याद रखने की. And the
Yes, ma'am.
direction. You saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. डायरेक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का. अगर पॉजिटिव चार्जेस हैं, लाइक इधर 2 कूलम था, कोई भी पॉइंट ले लो, चार्ज से हमेशा दूसरी तरफ जाएगा. इट विल ऑलवेज बी मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम द चार्ज इफ इट्स अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज. इफ इट्स अ नेगेटिव चार्ज, then it will be moving towards the charge. All right, so if we are moving, then we are it means it's a negative charge. So direction is important. And the same thing जो अभी क्वेश्चन किया था ना एयर और मीडियम पे, सो सेम थिंग इधर भी है. मतलब एप्सिलॉन इधर आ गया. ऑलराइट, लाइक आई विल शो यू. इफ a medium is there, E dash, E is in a medium, so it will simply be electric field in air divided by the dielectric constant. ये वाला concept इधर भी valid है. So this is important which you should know. Rest of the things we have already discussed it. All right, so electric field की हाँ units electric field में important है. SI units. SI units क्या है? See, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में ये है कि SI यूनिट 2 है. एक है वोल्ट पर मीटर, एक है न्यूटन पर कूलम. ये वाला भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये वाला भी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑलराइट, ये वाला पर्टिकुलरली इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज वी हैव द फॉर्मूला F is equal to Q. यहाँ से we have E is equal to F by Q. Force is Newton, Q is Coulomb, so Newton per Coulomb. When we'll come to potential, we will see minus dV over dr. So this is volt, this is meters, this is volt per meter. So both the units are important. Direction you should remember. One-liner definition maybe sometimes can be asked. वो भी बहुत important नहीं है. Electric field में questions ही mainly important है. So electric field में we'll be seeing the question only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But since you don't, I think you texted me that you had to leave. You have to leave also, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll then stop here only because up to question practicing hai. So I think it will
Okay,
then
ma'am.
take our time. So let's wait. Then you come after Moram when we'll have the class. Now we'll start from electric field. So सारा
Okay, ma'am.
focus up electric field में रहेगा, ठीक है? I'll not be discussing these electric field lines properties. ये खुद से पढ़ के आना, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll be discussing electric field and superposition principle in the next class. All right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.